just a little tipsy dust.
All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. Attention, space rangers. Remain seated with your ears on stimulating inside station. Get your ears shut. Keep it on your mouth.
Surge forces where it counts. Z marks the spot. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon fires a single ion pulse. You've got to hit Zerg's forces where it counts. Z marks the spot. Stand by to disengage battle. Stabilize your flight path. Aim for the Z's. These power-hungry robots are Zerg's first line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannon.
Zerg escapes through the escape hatch.
Space Raiders, concentrate your firepower on Zerg's secret weapon.
No, stop that. I'm indestructible through here, indestructible.
Squadron, secure the power cells for
I'll be back.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your score. Remember, you're a ready and beyond.
I'm a planetary pilot. Always.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!